Perfect chocolate fudge cake. Sure. Here's an easy step-by-step tutorial to prepare and bake a perfect chocolate fudge cake. Ingredients: 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsalted butter, at room temperature, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups whole milk, 1/2 cup hot water. For chocolate ganache frosting: 8 ounces dark chocolate, finely chopped, 1 cup heavy cream. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your broiler to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and oil and flour 2 9-inch round cake skillets. Step 2. Sift dry ingredients. In an enormous blending bowl, filter together the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, and salt. This assists with eliminating any irregularities and guarantees, in any event, blending of the dry fixings. Step 3. Cream, spread and sugar. In a different blending bowl, cream the spread and sugar together utilizing an electric blender on medium speed until light and feathery, around 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. Add eggs and vanilla. Add the eggs, each in turn, to the margarine and sugar combination, blending great after every option. Then, mix in the vanilla concentrate. Step 5. Add dry fixings and milk. Step by step add the filtered dry fixings to the margarine blend, substituting with the milk, starting and finishing with the dry fixings. Blend until recently consolidated, being mindful so as not to overmix. Step 6. Add high-temp water. Mix in the hot water until the player is smooth. The high-temp water assists with dissolving the cocoa powder and makes it a smoother player. Step 7. Gap player and prepare. Partition the player equitably between the pre-arranged cake dish. Smooth the tops with a spatula. Heat in the preheated stove for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick embedded into the focal point of the cakes confesses all. Step 8. Cool cakes. Eliminate the cakes from the broiler and let them cool in the searches for gold minutes. Then, at that point, move the cakes to wire racks to totally cool them. Step 9. Get ready for chocolate ganache icing. While the cakes are cooling, set up the chocolate ganache frosting. Place the finely cleaved dull chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. In a pot, heat the wavy cream over medium intensity until it simply starts to stew. Pour the hot cream over the slashed chocolate and allow it to sit for a couple of moments. Then, whisk the chocolate and cream together until smooth and gleaming. Let the ganache cool to room temperature. Step 10. Frost the cake. Once the cakes are completely cool and the ganache has reached room temperature, spread a layer of ganache frosting on top of one cake layer. Place the other cake layer on top and spread a thin layer of ganache frosting all over the cake to create a crumb coat. This helps to seal in any cake crumbs and create a smooth base for the final frosting. Step 11. Chill and frost again. Chill the cake in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes to set the crumb coat. Then, spread a thick layer of ganache frosting all over the cake, covering it completely. You can use a spatula or a cake smoother to create a smooth finish. Step 12. Decorate and serve. Decorate the chocolate fudge cake with any additional decorations of your choice, such as chocolate shavings, sprinkles,